Hello, hello, grade 3. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Our lesson today is hands-on multiply with arrays. Throughout this lesson, we will learn how to use arrays to explore multiplication. Let's start it. You have learned that array has rows of equal length and columns of equal length, just like this one. In this array, we have two rows. This is the first row. This is the second row. And it has three columns. This is the first column, the second column, and the third column. So in this array, we have two rows and three columns. This array has 6 tiles. This is the first tile, the second tile, the third tile, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth tile. So we have 6 tiles. Now let's make an array on a piece of paper and then let's arrange the tiles in 4 rows with 3 tiles in each row. 4 rows with 3 tiles in each row. And when you finish, draw this array here. Go ahead, grade 3. If you draw this array 4 row with 3 tiles, you will get an array like this one. 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 rows with 3 tiles. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count up how many tiles do we have in this array. Since we have equal numbers of tiles in each row, we can skip count to find the total number of tiles. So 3, 6, 9, and 12. So we have 12 tiles. Now, what do you think, grade 3? If we turn this array, what will we have? Just like this. Now we have a new array. We just turned the first one. We get another one. So now, how many rows do we have in this array? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows. And how many tiles in each row? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 3 rows with 4 tiles. Now let's count up how many tiles do we have in all in this array. Since we have 3 rows of equal length, we can use a skip count to find the total, or repeated addition like this. 4, 8, and 12. We have 12 again, 12 tiles. So at the beginning, we drew this array, 4 rows with 3 tiles. And then when we turn this array like this, we get a new array of 3 rows with 4 tiles. And we get the same total number of tiles in these two arrays. Now, let's try to write the multiplication sentence for the first array, this one. Since we have 4 rows with 3 tiles, we can write the multiplication sentence just like this. 4 multiplies 3 equals the total number of tiles. And for the second array, we can write the multiplication sentence just like this. We have 3 rows multiplies 4 tiles. And the product is 12. We have 12 tiles in all. Look at these two multiplication sentence grade 3. Did the product change even though the order of the factors changed? Of course, no. We get the same product in these two multiplication sentences. So we conclude that as we have a commutative property of addition, we have a commutative property of multiplication. And the commutative property of multiplication states that the order in which numbers are multiplied does not change the product. Just like this example, 4 multiplied 3 equals 12, and 3 multiplies 4 equals 12 again. Interesting. So now please grade 3, be sure to fill all these blanks, page number 205. And don't forget to draw these arrays here in page number 205 again. Let's try to draw another array. Now please grade 3, try to draw an array that has 5 rows of 2 tiles. Like this one, 5 rows of 2 tiles. And then write an addition sentence to show equal rows. Since we have 5 rows, we will add the number of tiles 5 times. We have 2 tiles in each row. So the addition sentence is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Excellent, grade 3. Now let's try to write the multiplication sentence for this array. In the first blank, we write the number of rows. We have 5 rows, so we write here number 5 multiplies. Then in this blank, we will write the number in each row. We have 2 tiles in each row, so 5 multiplies 2 equals, the total is 10 again. So the multiplication sentence is 5 multiplies 2 equals 10. Excellent, grade 3. Now let's try to turn this array. If we turn this array, we will get an array like this one. Now, how many rows do we have here? Only 2 rows. And how many tiles in each row? 5 tiles in each row. Excellent, grade 3. So, in this array, there are 2 rows of 5 tiles. Let's try to write the addition sentence. Since we have only 2 rows, we will add number 5 2 times. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's try to write the multiplication sentence. Again, in the first blank, we will write the number of rows, which is 2. And here we will write the number of tiles in each row, which is 5. So 2 multiplies 5 equals 10. Great job, grade 3. This is another example of commutative property of multiplication. Here we have 5 multiplies 2 equals 10. The product is 10. And here we have 2 multiplies 5 equals 10. Again, the product is 10. Let's discuss this question. It's grade 3. What is the connection between repeated addition and an array? As you know, in repeated addition, we have equal groups and arrays have equal rows. So each equal row can be added to find the total in an array. Excellent, grade 3. Let's see the next question. How can you use an array to model the commutative property? Just as we did before, we can turn the array. So turn the array to show that the total is the same. Question number 3. List the 3 everyday objects that are arranged in an array, like carton of eggs, sheet of stamps, and muffin pan. Let's see the next page. Now, please, grade 3, stop the video, try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. Let's see question number 4. Draw an array to find the product. 4 multiplies 2. So we will draw an array of 4 rows with 2 tiles. And the total is 2, 4, 6, and 8. So the total is 8. Let's see question number 5. 3 multiplies 5. So we will draw an array of 3 rows with 5 tiles, just like this. And the product is 5, 10, 15. Excellent, grade 3. Let's see question number 6. Write an addition sentence and a multiplication sentence to show equal rows. In this array, we have 4 rows of 5 tiles. So the addition sentence is 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. And the multiplication sentence is 4 multiplies 5 equals 20. Let's see question number 7. In this array, we have 3 rows with 3 tiles. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. And 3 multiplies 3 equals 9 again. Great job, grade 3. Question number 8. In this array, we have 2 rows. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. And 2 multiplies 3 equals 6 again. Let's see question number 9. Use the commutative property of multiplication to write another multiplication sentence for exercise 8. In exercise 8, we have 2 multiplies 3 equals 6. So we can write 3 multiplies 2 equals 6. This is another example for commutative property of multiplication. Let's see the next page, page number 208. Question number 11. Marcos has 3 sheets of stickers. Each sheet has 4 stickers on it. Write a multiplication sentence to find how many stickers he has in all. 3 sheets of stickers and 4 stickers in each sheet. So 3 multiplies 4 equals 12 stickers. Excellent, grade 3. Let's see question number 12. Circle the picture that does not represent an array. In this one, we can see 2 rows. This is the first row. This is the second row. Equal rows. And in this one also, we have 2 rows. 2 equal rows. But what about this one? There is no equal rows here. So we will circle the sand castle because it does not show rows with an equal number in each row. Let's see the next question. Question number 13. Draw an array to find the unknown number in the multiplication sentence. The multiplication sentence is 6 multiplies something, the unknown, equals 18. The first factor is 6. The second factor is missed. It's unknown. So, to draw an array with 18 tiles, we can draw an array like this one. 3 rows of 6 tiles or 6 rows of 3 tiles. Let's check the total number of tiles. 6, 12, 18. The total number is 18. Let's check this one. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. Excellent. We get 18 tiles again. Great job, grade 3. Let's see question number 14. How can I use an array to model multiplication? You know now that the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns gives the total. That's it. Let's see the next page. Page number 209. This is your homework, grade 3. So please try to solve it by yourself and then you can check your answers here. The answer of question number 1 is 35 and question number 2, 6 multiplies 5 equals 30. Question number 3, the repeated addition sentence is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8 and the multiplication sentence is 4 multiplies 2 equals 8 again. Question number 4, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 25 and the multiplication sentence is 5 multiplies 5 equals 25. Question number 5, the answer is these 2 arrays. Question number 6, the final answer is 3 multiplies 8 equals 24. And question number 7, 8 multiplies 8 equals 64 squares. That's enough for today, grade 3. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.